yetu kwa Mungu ni kwamba miaka 30 ijayo Kenya itaondoka kutoka third world itakuwa a first world country. And I want to say this in church, that by God's grace we have been in the third world for far too long. We have had our fair share. It is now time. And by God's grace, by the effort of our hands, by the blessing of our plans, and the energy and unity of the people of Kenya, we want to move this country from a third world country to a first world country in the next 30 years, by 2055. Miaka nyingi tumekwama pale mahali pa umaskini, ukosefu wa kazi, njaa na mambo yale mengine. Imetosha. It's now time for us to elevate our country to the next level. And we have what it takes to take Kenya to that next level. Ndio mimi nawauliza tuungane, tushirikiane. Nimezungumza na viongozi wengi katika taifa letu la Kenya. Nimeongea na wabunge almost 80% of parliament, one on one, to explain to them how we are going to move this country from a third world country to a first world country. I have had a conversation with our former Prime Minister Raila Odinga on how we are going to move this country from a third world country to a first world country. I have engaged my brother, former President Uhuru Kenyatta, on how we are going to move this country from a third world country to a first world country. I have engaged many, including Gideon Moi recently, on how we are going to move this country from a third world country to a first world country. And I will continue to engage all the leaders until we come together so that we can take this country to be a first world country in our lifetime, because it is possible. So, ndugu zangu, watu wa taifa letu la Kenya, mimi nawaomba tushirikiane, tufanye kazi pamoja, na Mungu yule ambaye tunamwamini kwa neema yake, unmerited favor is going to be upon this country, and we are going to move this country to a first world country while we are here.